everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am Neha Gupta and today I'll be sharing with you guys how can you achieve this black smoky eye look with very easy steps. Black smoky eyes are the most classy and preferred eye look by most of the people, which goes out with any of the outfit but can turn out really messy if you're not careful about it. So to avoid that mess, I have come up with very easy steps to achieve this look. It is just about 3 to 4 steps and you are good to go. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
I have already done my base and my eyebrows. I will directly start with my eye makeup. So first of all, I'll prime my eyelid, and for that I am using this LA Girl concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. Anyways, I will be linking all the products detail that I will be using today to my description box. If you like, you can check it out. So I'm just taking a bit of the concealer and applying it all over my eyelid and also under my eyebrows to sharpen it up. Next, using a flat eye brush, I will be blending the concealer. Applying a concealer or an eye base before your eye makeup helps to enhance the color of the eyeshadow. So always use a eye base before your eye makeup. If you don't have an eye base or an eye primer, you can always go for a concealer as I am using here. It doesn't make much difference. Be careful while blending on the edges of your eyebrows. Just go with the shape of it. This will make your eyebrows look more clean and sharp. Now using a beauty blender, I'll just thoroughly blend everything out. Next, I will set the concealer using a loose powder. This step will make sure that your concealer doesn't move or crease while doing your eye makeup. It also gives a smooth base which will help in blending out the eyeshadow properly. I will also apply the loose powder under my eyes and all over my face. Next, starting with the eye makeup, I will be applying a kajal on my eyelid. This will be the base for the smoky eye. You can go for any of the kohl kajal, but make sure it is not smudge proof, which will definitely be difficult to blend. I am using the kajal from the brand The One Oriflame. Just apply the kajal on the area I am showing you. Do not cover the overall eyelid. If you do so, I am not sure about the smoky eyes, but you will definitely make your eyes look like a panda eye. So do not do the mistake. Just like that, you have to draw a line close to your lash line. It is not necessary to draw a very clean line as we will be smudging it off anyway. With a small flat eye brush, I will slightly blend the kajal and also will cover the overall lash line. Now I will be taking some more of the kajal on the same eye brush and will apply it on top of it, and again I will blend it off. Next, I will take a black shade from this Sivana Makeup Professional palette. You just need a black eyeshadow. You can go for any of the eye palette. Now using the same flat eye brush, I will apply the black eyeshadow on top of the area I have applied the kajal. Now using such kind of precise eye brush, I will slightly blend the eyeshadow. Just blend it on the same area, do not move it all over your eyelid. See, this is how it should look after blending it properly. Now using a clean blending brush, I will take this dark brown shade and will place it above the black eyeshadow, but it should not exceed the crease line. First of all, I am placing the brown eyeshadow and then I will blend it properly so that both the shades get mixed together. As you can see, the color of the black eyeshadow got a bit lighter. So to enhance it, I will again be placing the black eyeshadow on top of it. Now using a clean blending brush, I will blend everything together. Now I am taking this light brown shade from the Colorboard palette. Now again you can take such kind of light brown shade from any of the eye palette. I will be using this shade as a transition shade and will place it on the crease line, and then I will blend it on the upward direction. I guess you can see how I am doing it. You have to do just like that. Now using a concealer, I'll clean the sides of my eyes. Now using a small flat eye brush, I will take the same black shade and will smudge it off on my lower lash line. And now I will be applying the same kohl kajal on the waterline of my eyes. Now this is for the people who are still confused about this eye look. I will be quickly doing the same on my this eye, so watch it properly and revise it. Again, starting with the kohl kajal, just draw a line close to your lash line. You don't have to be neat as we will be blending it off. Next, using a flat eye brush, I will blend the kajal as well as I will cover the overall lash line. Next, taking the black eyeshadow, I will place it on top of the kajal that I have applied on my eyelid, just like this. And then I will slightly blend it off. You don't have to cover overall eyelid. Next, using the dark brown shade from the same palette, I will place it on top of the black eyeshadow but should not exceed the crease line. Now I will take a light brown shade and will be using it as a transition shade. I will place it on the crease and will blend it on upward direction. Next, using a concealer, I will clean the edges of my eyelid. This will make the eye look more sharp and clean. Now again I will take the black shade and will apply it on my lower lash line and will smudge it off. And lastly, using a kohl kajal, I will apply it on the waterline of my eye. And now I will take the light brown shade and again I will smudge it on my lower lash line. Now using the same pencil brush, I will pick the highlighter and will place it on the inner corners of my eyes. Now using the same highlighter, I will be highlighting the edges of my eyebrows. Next, I will curl my eyelash using an eyelash curler. Followed by applying a mascara, and I am using this Maybelline New York Push-Up Drama Mascara. Now any makeup look is incomplete without a lipstick, so to complete my look I will be using this nude shade. Now the most important thing, if your eye makeup is bold or heavy, then you should always go for a light shade lipstick. This will balance out the overall look. And if you are going for a dark or bright shade lipstick with a heavy eye makeup, this will just make your makeup look over or loud, whatever you say. So always remember, if your eye makeup is light, you can go for a dark or bright shade lipstick. But if your eye makeup is dark or bold, you should always select a nude or light shade lipstick. This will balance out your look. So I have completed the overall makeup. I will be doing my hairstyle and come back.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is